Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to discuss how to create a Shopify invoice. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So currently, as you can see, we are on our Shopify admin panel, and if you simply head over to your point of sale, you will be able to see we have different options, but we cannot see anything related to invoicing. So to create effective invoices, what I highly recommend is simply head over to your Play Store or App Store and head over to apps, and there you need to search for Invoice. Once you click on that, you need to search for that in App Store. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you can see we have various type of PDF invoices and professional invoice generating integrations. You can try any of these, the one that do offer, like for example, free plans. So you can see free trial available, free plan available, and choose something with a solid rating and you will be easily generate a free Shopify invoice. I hope this was exact thing that you're looking for, and that's how you can create a Shopify invoice. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.